Does life feel like you're running a race you can't win? If pressure and worry never seem to fade, if headaches, fatigue, and irritability have become your normal, you may be living with chronic stress. But there is hope, healing, and science-backed strategies that truly work. Today's video dives deep into chronic stress, its symptoms, causes, real-life solutions, and hope for a better tomorrow. What is chronic stress? Chronic stress means feeling overwhelmed, pressured, or stuck for weeks, months, or even years. Unlike acute stress, a short-lived challenge, chronic stress is constant, often triggered by ongoing work demands, conflicts, financial worries, illness, caregiving, or relentless change. When stress hormones like cortisol stay high, the body's alarm system never turns off. Over time, this wears down your mind and body. How does chronic stress affect your life? Physical symptoms: muscle pain, neck or jaw tightness, headaches, stomach problems, nausea, diarrhea, constipation. Fatigue and sleep problems, either insomnia or oversleeping, weakened immune function, frequent colds, infections, high blood pressure, heart palpitations, emotional and behavioral symptoms, irritability, anxiety or sadness, trouble concentrating, memory fog, change in appetite, more or less food, apathy, isolation or lack of motivation, increased substance use, alcohol, drugs, emotional withdrawal, feeling stuck or hopeless. Persistent stress is linked to depression, anxiety, and chronic diseases like heart attack, diabetes, and obesity. Why does chronic stress happen? Common triggers include high-pressure jobs or unpredictable work, financial hardship or debt, loneliness and family conflict, unresolved trauma, grief, or health problems, major life changes, moving, loss, divorce, parenting struggles, discrimination or instability. Chronic stress can also stem from childhood adversity and untreated mental health challenges. Many people feel there is no way out. But awareness is the first step to change. Doctors and therapists diagnose chronic stress by asking about symptoms that persist for weeks or months, evaluating sleep, mood, daily functioning, and coping strategies, checking for medical conditions worsened by stress, such as high blood pressure, headaches, digestive disorders. Early diagnosis can prevent years of suffering and help create lasting strategies for recovery. Science-based strategies for recovery. 1. Lifestyle changes. Prioritize sleep, 7 to 9 hours, healthy meals, regular movement. Practice stress relief activities like yoga, tai chi, walking in nature. Connect socially. Share your thoughts with friends, family, or a therapist. Schedule breaks. Avoid all work and no play, and set realistic goals. 2. Mindfulness and relaxation. Deep breathing, 4-count inhale plus 4-count exhale. Guided meditations, mindfulness journaling. Write thoughts, feelings, and gratitude. Creative outlets, art, music, writing, lower stress hormones. 3. Problem solving and boundaries. Break big problems into smaller, actionable steps. Say no to unnecessary commitments. Seek help from counselors, support groups, or medical professionals. Professional help can teach cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which retrains your brain's stress response. 4. Medical support. Sometimes medication is helpful for sleep, anxiety, or depression. Addressing chronic illnesses linked to stress can break the cycle. Wake up and journal one hopeful thought. Move. Even 10 minutes of stretching or walking relieves tension. Try breathing exercises before bed. Reward small wins. Celebrate each step forward. Get help if chronic stress leads to severe depression, panic attacks, thoughts of self-harm, or inability to function. Healthcare, counseling, and support groups provide safe, proven care. Chronic stress is not a character flaw. It's the body's normal reaction to abnormal pressures. And every step toward recovery is a victory, toward peace, health, and joy. You are not defined by your stress. You are defined by your strength to face it. One breath, one break, one small change at a time. Healing begins. If this script supported you, please like, share, and subscribe, because your share of hope could help another break free from stress today.